Dennis here with the Chrysal Cares episode. I just received my Flower Boost kit. So I've unpacked it already to save time, and I'm going to go through the 3 items that are going to be in your flower kit. First of all, we're going to have a flower stripper. It's a super fantastic rubber. It's easy to grip. You want to remove foliage from the bottom of the stem. You do not want foliage in your water line. This one's already pretty much cleaned, but normally you would clean that off if you had a lot of foliage. Okay, so that's your flower stripper. The next item in there you're going to have is your flower food. Very simple. You're going to use 2 caps for 1 liter of water. Then add your 1 liter of water. It'll agitate it as we pour. If you don't have a measuring unit, 1 liter of water is nothing more than 2 drinking bottles. And then we have Chrysal Glory. Now this is going to come as 2 parts. Make sure you attach the spray bottle to the Glory product, not the flower food, the Glory. And there's a little switch here to lock it into place and take it off lock. So you want to make sure you do that too, or you possibly might break it. So Glory is designed to seal in the moisture. So you want to put this on very generously. Don't spare. So this is going to slow down the transpiration of those flowers, keep them hydrated longer. Put them in the vase and enjoy.